If you want to embed a video on X.com, formerly Twitter, the process is actually very simple once you know where to click. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to upload a video into a post using the X.com composer so you can share it with your followers quickly and easily. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X.com and go to your feed. From there, look for the post composer at the top of the page. This is the box where you normally write a new post, reply, or start a thread. To add a video, click the media icon. It looks like a small picture with mountains, and it's usually located along the bottom of the composer. Once you click that icon, your computer's file browser will open. Now browse through your folders and select the video file you want to upload. You can choose a video stored on your desktop, in your Downloads folder, or anywhere else on your device. After selecting the file, click Open, and the video will begin uploading automatically. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. While the upload is in progress, you can add text to your post, include hashtags, or write a short caption if you want to give your audience some context. Once the upload finishes, your video will appear inside the composer, ready to post. At that point, you can review everything one last time and make sure the video looks correct before publishing. If everything is good, just click Post, and your video will be shared on X.com. That's it. You've now embedded, or more accurately uploaded, a video to your X post in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.